Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, helpful, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the fuses, relays for the instrument cluster, also known as the gauges on Mercedes W205 C-Class, that generation here. Now guys, you may have the digital cluster or non-digital cluster, doesn't matter. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find that fuse relay. There will be some hidden fuse boxes, and by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The instrument cluster, also known as gauges, fuses and relays, we'll show you guys where you can find them. Quick advice from us, this generation Mercedes C-Class guys. People that own that, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the different hidden fuse boxes in it. You may have up to 6-7 fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video to help you out guys. It's on our YouTube channel. It's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it will save you a lot of money guys. What we need to do now, we need to open the driver door. The moment you open the driver door, I want to show you what we have here on the side of the dash. We have that cover. This cover is removable, pried open, and behind it you have a fuse box that has a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here guys, we need to check one fuse. Right after that we'll talk about a relay. Coming in that row of fuses, starting on top, you count, that's fuse number 200, 201, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fuse 208. You see that fuse guys right here? That will be guys, okay, the fuse that you will need to check. Fuse number 208. Now, let me make sure that we got that thing right. 203, so that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. That will be the fuse guys. What about relays? You don't have relays, you have only that fuse. That's known as a relay fuse that you will need to check on your Mercedes C-Class. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.